Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on Roblox. To start, simply open the Roblox app on your computer or mobile device. Then, navigate to the search bar and type in Subway Surfers to discover various fan-made versions. Choose a game with many active players and positive reviews to ensure a great experience. Once you've selected your game, click to join the server and prepare for some fast-paced fun. Mastering the controls is key to a high score. You'll swipe left or right to switch between the 3 lanes, dodging oncoming trains and other hazards. Swipe up to jump over barriers and collect coins floating in the air. To slide under low obstacles, simply swipe down. Remember to grab as many coins as possible and pick up power-ups like jetpacks and super sneakers to enhance your run. To truly excel, focus on advanced strategies. Always try to grab power-ups, especially the coin magnet, which helps you collect coins effortlessly. Pay close attention to the obstacle patterns. Recognizing them will allow you to react faster and plan your moves. Don't forget to activate hoverboards when things get tough. They provide a one-time crash protection, giving you a second chance. Also, complete daily challenges for extra coins and keys. Progression and customization add another layer of fun. With the coins you collect, you can unlock a variety of new characters and stylish outfits to personalize your runner. You can also purchase different hoverboards, each offering unique advantages like higher jumps or faster speeds. Remember to upgrade your power-ups to make them last longer and be more effective during your runs. Keep an eye out for weekly hunts to earn special tokens and unlock exclusive characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.